guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, share and like my channel. Leave a comment down below so that you can always get a notification to view other videos. I already fed my chickens today in the morning, and now I'm giving them another treat, which they mostly always love to to have. So today I'm giving them they've had lunch, they had breakfast, now they're gonna have granola. They love granola, so I'm going to share with them equally. Yeah, I have those ones in there. There's these other ones in here. They always get two and started jumping over. I've got those ones. Wait guys, coming up. Mind your feet. And then I have those other ones in there. So let's do it. We'll get this one opened. I'll open it first. Yep. Yeah, I'm giving them breakfast, and I'm on live. You want to give my friends a shout out? No? All right. So and don't you come out. You come out again, I'm going to stay inside. Stay in first. Right, let me just put some for these guys. And I'm sure that they like it. I love this granola. Okay, easy guys, easy. Look at them. Right, next one. Hey, easy. Get in, let's go. Come on. Wait, guys, wait. Rooster, wait. Tell your girls to wait. Right. My God. Right. Okay, enjoy. Right, let's go keep the other ones. So that's done. Hello, Bonnie. You okay? You got your food. You don't want it. You want some? I could give you some. I don't know whether you... The other time he ate some when we ran out of his food. We gave him some, but let me put a pinch of it and see whether... You're joking. Something that you don't even think of that he would eat, he's eating it now. Okay, I'll put more. Make sure you eat it and finish it. It's the time I put some when we ran out of his food and he never ate it. But now he's eating it. Right guys, we got more eggs down there. She might have one egg. Yeah, there's another one here. Don't you jump on me. You better come down, otherwise you're going to miss. I'm not feeding you up there. Come down. You want some? Come down. Get down. Get down. Right. Let's see what we have here. This little tiny dude. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello, my milkies. Hello. Come on, Blackie. Come on. In you go. I'm going to put them in there. Right. Silky. Hey, you stop it. Silky, wait, I put some here. Silky, she loves granola. You see? She eats granola like no man's business. There you go. There you go, beauty. Come on. Right guys, that's it. All of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and watch all my videos. That will be it. And please share and like my videos. Right guys, we're going to be picking up eggs today. She has laid her eggs here. That's not the right spot, but always she has an egg there. We got more there. There are 3. So let's do it. Right, Rooster, get in there. Let's see if we have any eggs. Oh yes, we have some eggs, guys. 4 of them. I don't know why they don't like laying into this one. We got 4 plus 1 on the other side for Silk, and they still messed this one up. So I don't know why. They've still felt to, you know. This is a good hiding place, but they haven't got used to it. So we'll see. Right. Hey. Okay. So there's still 5 more to lay. There's one on the other side, but I can't move it. There's one still sitting on the right. Right guys, that's it for today. Picking eggs from the chicken coop, and the cows are eating. We'll have to give them some water now, and that's it for the day, guys. Let's get these eggs. There's this one, put it in there. Bag. Right, move. Gotta get the eggs. Oh, you have to bend in there to get. We all done. Of, giving them granola today. They had granola and they really like it. Guys, please do subscribe onto my channel. Leave a comment down below. Share and like my videos. And see you in the next vlog. Ciao for now.